客家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi, I'm Joseph Lin, and it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. Here we got the winner of the second prize in the Hakka Music Awards composition category, He Yun Na, with a song called Baba Ngai Si Ming, which means Dad, I Cannot Sleep. And she wrote this song in the memory of her father. In fact, she wrote it on a Father's Day when she was going through an emotional breakdown. And she tries to express her thoughts about her father with soulful rhythms and vocals that evoke heartbreak. Let's take a listen to this song, Dad, I Cannot Sleep.
每次都睡唔得，冇認同係講已冇彩，留下一個擁抱的上一個世界，做得好，跳擺嘅未來冇彩，而你唔被在意，其實未來會存在嘅你，唔被在意，馬街係愛，你係唔係？從寫到太一種喺啲愛身邊，也唱做的已灑來送意，也有空多麼，愛啲聽嘅也腳步，希望做得錯，希望做得錯，希望做得錯。留下一個擁抱的從而嘅世界做得好，偷拍嘅未來冇彩，而你唔被在意，其實未來會存在嘅你，唔被在意，馬街係愛，你係唔係恨你呀？
何云娜呢，用 R&B 的曲風，還有令人心碎的高音嘶吼來訴說她對爸爸的思念。而且這首歌還是在某年的父親節夜晚突然間想念着父親而寫的，並且在感嘆如果他還在有多好呢？同時呢，也期許自己呢不要讓爸爸失望，永遠要跟隨着爸爸的腳步。There you go, it's 何云娜 with 爸爸愛思明。I'm Joseph Lin, see you next time.
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.